Hello! This video shows how to install an IGEL Cloud Gateway using the new remote installer. To use the remote installer, you need to prepare the server you want to install the ICG to. You can either use the ICG virtual appliance provided by IGEL in the latest version or a dedicated Linux server. Both solutions need an SSH user with root access. Last but not least, you need to know the IP address of the server. You need it to create a certificate which is necessary to connect the UMS with the ICG. Now start the Universal Management Suite and navigate to the UMS administration. Open the Cloud Gateway options. Here you can see a list of existing certificates. We need one that isn't used. To create a new certificate, please follow the instructions you can find in the IGEL knowledge base. Search for ICG certificate and open the first result. This UMS installation has 3 certificates. 2 of them are already used. But we can take the third one. Open the folder IGEL Cloud Gateway. Here you can see all already connected gateways. To install a new IGEL Cloud Gateway, start the remote installer. Select an unused certificate and accept the end-user license agreement. Here you need to enter the necessary information to establish a connection to the server you want to install the ICG to. Keep the host and port. Enter the credentials of the SSH user with root access. Keep the installation path and ICG port. Last but not least, use the file picker to select the ICG installer. The installation is now running. This process will take around about a minute. Et voila! The installation was successful. Here you can give the Cloud Gateway a specific name. The default name is IGEL Cloud Gateway. The host is the IP address of the server. When located in the DMZ, you can configure a second IP address, the so-called external host, the devices outside the company network need to use to connect to the ICG. If you want to use a proxy server, you can select an already configured server here. The new IGEL Cloud Gateway shows up in the list. Double-click to get more information. Here you can see that the Cloud Gateway is connected with the UMS. Let's take a look at the Cloud Gateway options. The certificate we have used for the installation changed the status to used. Congratulations! You successfully installed an IGEL Cloud Gateway using the new remote installer. If you need more information, please visit the IGEL knowledge base under kb.igel.com. Thank you for watching.